direct form to realization by using of canonic realization. In this case we have to, how it is going for, just see here what is the given frequency response. Just wait. Yeah. Given frequency system function is h of z is equals to, this is the what is the equation given. Then we know that h of z is equals to y of z divided by x of z. If we solve this, we can write y of z x of z is equal to same equation here. Then we are taking one more variable, that is w of z. W of z divided by x of z, y of z divided by w of x. If I do it, will not going to change anything here. Okay, so return and take the equation as it is. Then we are going to take h1 of z and h2 of z. In h1 of z, 1 divided by the whole numerator part. In h2 of z, only the numerator. h1 of z, only the denominator part. In h2 of z, only the numerator part. Then I will be writing of h1 of z and h2 of z like this. Then what I will do next, I will write separately as h1 of z and h2 of z. Next, omega z is going to be multiplied, crossly multiplied. Okay, omega z into 1 minus 0.75 z inverse plus 0.125 z raised to minus 2 into x of z. A cross multiplication if I do, I will be getting this. Then keep your y of z after multiplication, keep your y of z here and remaining all parts to the RHS. Okay, and then take the inverse z transform. Then you will be getting as y w of n is equals to x of n plus 0.75 omega n minus 1 minus 0.125 omega n minus 2. Similarly, in the same way, go for solving of h2 of n, sorry, h2 of z. Again cross multiply here. We'll remove all. Here y of z is going to multiply, a cross multiplication. Here nothing is there, means we will be having 1. If I multiply, I will be getting this equation. Y of z is equals to, just multiply omega z here, then multiply for each terms. You will be getting the equation as 7 w of z minus 5.25 z inverse w of z plus 1.375 z raised to minus 2 w of z. Then take the inverse z transform. For this, then you will be getting as y of n is equals to 7 omega n minus 5.25 omega n minus 1 plus 1.375 omega n minus 2. These are all the steps we already done in a Sigma-Sum system. Just follow the same here. Next, realizing that this is x of n, we will be getting as w of n. Write your coefficient values here, 0.75 minus 1.25, here 1.375 minus 5.25, here the 7. Then cascading, h of z is equals to h1 of z into h2 of z. Okay, then combining of these two, you will be getting the cascade form like this. Next, we have to combine here. We are, instead of using 4 delay function, we can use of 2 delay function, that is h of z, z raised to minus 1, z raised to minus 1. Okay, 0.75 minus 0.7, 0.125, 1.375, 5 minus 5.25 and 7. This is what direct form 2 function. Okay.